Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chuck, VIP. You can also check me out on Instagram and YouTube. If you want to see more of my finished pieces, go to tellystalkinchuck.ca. That is also where you will see the links to the business pages for ordering for yourself. I'm just doing a little bit of maneuvering here. If you could put me wherever you see fit, that would be awesome. I'm just going to put myself here for now, and then we will figure all the rest out. Let me get back to my own page. There we go. So I'm just going to push that out of the way. So today we are doing sun, sky, sea, and sand. I don't know where you are watching this from, but where I am right now is Ontario, Canada, and it is snowing. So I wanted to think about the sun and all the nice weather. So this is what we're doing today. I hope this isn't being weird for everybody else. So we're going to take this out. Once I figure out which part it's on, each one of these designs, the bag opens in a different way. So it's always fun to try and figure that part out. Always takes me a second. Now I do have my fuzzing cloth here. You want to fuzz so that it doesn't stick to the surface too much, because these are silk screen transfers and they are reusable 8 to 12 times. You want to take some of the fuzz and put it on the back. It will not hurt the transfer. It will only stay there till you wash it off. We're going to be using paste today, which paste is removable because this is just a chalkboard type material. It will wash off if I want to make a new design. Hi everybody! Say hi when you're jumping on. I don't see names as of yet, and I just realized I didn't even open this yet. That could be fun. Might need to actually open the surface. But we have been having so much fun over the last few days with these hexagons. Yeah. I always get myself confused with the hexagon and the octagon, but the octagon's 8, and these are only 6. So I'm sorry this is taking me an extra minute, because I didn't bring the X-Acto knife over with me, which would make it so much easier. Paul, if you're seeing comments, please let me know, because unfortunately on my end it keeps freezing, so I can't tell. So we have the right side up. So many times I've done projects and the wrong side is up. All right, so we're going to fuzz this a few times. You want to do it about 4 or 5 times off the top. What is that for? It's funny, I can't keep count. 5 and 6. And each one is different. Sometimes the stickiness isn't always the same on every surface, or on every transfer even. So the amount of times you want to do it can change. I can tell you right now that's not right. I'm one of those people that needs it to be straight or it drives my eye crazy. So I'm going to hold it up like this, and then I will share it with you again once I feel like I've got it where I need it. At least somewhat straight. All right, so because of the way that I want to do this, it's going to take us a little longer, even though it is only a size A transfer. We do have size A through E, which is 5x7 all the way up to 18 by 24, I believe, is the E size. So we're going to take the red. We're going to do the sun in red. Now keep in mind, this is going to color your transfer, but it's okay. It won't hurt anything as long as you get the ink or paste, depending on what you're using, out of the actual silkscreen part of the transfer itself. The rest won't matter. It won't hurt anything. Now, the reason why that we went and fuzzed the transfer is because it's super sticky, and so when you go to pull it, if it sticks too hard, it will wreck your transfer because it will stretch it, and then when you go to put it down again, it will not lay right, thus making your project not come out the right way. So we've done the red. Trying to scrape off as much of this is off of these as you can so that you save it. Now we're going to go with the orange. And we didn't turn off sound. Sorry, everybody. We were having some technical difficulties, so I think some things got forgotten about, but that's okay. So now we're going to do the orange, trying not to get up into the red. Now I did use Tulip, which is more of a pinky red. I usually would use my Candy Apple Red, but my Candy Apple Red right now is really dry, and I didn't look at it quick enough to take the time to make it creamy again. All you have to do is put some distilled water in it and mush it around. You can even put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. That helps dissolve it into the water. Now I'm going to do what we call the paste and peel method. So I've pasted 2 of them, but I don't want them to dry. No. Paul, I might need your help, because I don't have nails and this got stuck. Oh, hey, nope, I'm good. I just had to threaten it with you. Alright, so we're just going to pull the part that we've already done up. And then we're just going to lay it back down. Go over my S's again. I have been instructed that my S's need help. I'm just going to do this whole part just in case. Alright. Even if it's not perfect, again, we can always wash it off and redo it. So now I'm going to do the green. And I also like these because, like, even the other chalkboards, because they're reusable and you don't have to spend so much money trying to redecorate your place. Because when you're redecorating like 5-6 times a year, that can get expensive if you have to buy every time. So instead, you just wash it off and paste more on. in a different design, because we have over 300 designs, and I just heard from the grapevine that we're supposedly getting another 100 in our next reveal, which is next month at some point. I can't remember the date specifically. I will have to get back to you on that. I want to say February 8th, but I could be wrong. So I will find out final details on that for everybody. If you want me to specifically message you, put that in the comments. Even if you're on the replay, hashtag replay and let me know. If you have any questions. If you want to know about Chalk Tour and joining, you can hashtag Chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about our club, which is our subscription box, hashtag club in the comments. There we go. We got the green. Now we're going to do the yellow, which is a light yellow, because my bright yellows weren't well either. We had old paste and the quality of it wasn't the greatest. So they redid it. And so these are the more creamier ones. These are the newer ones. Although this is a pretty bright one when you put it on here. Especially versus like the green color. So I'm gonna just get up here. Okay, half that end wasn't even done at the top there. I almost missed it. That was scary. Now, normally I would peel this right now, but I'm going to be bold and take the 2 seconds to do the blue, because that should be really easy. And then we'll peel it all off to reveal it. And then I want some hearts and thumbs up when you see this. Even if you're on the replay, if you actually comment and put emojis and such, it actually helps me still. So even if you're on the replay, please interact with the video like you're live. I know so many people have a problem trying to do that, but it would really help me out. Alright, so here we go. Now you want to pull this as evenly as you can so that it doesn't stretch too. Even though it's easy to bring up, if parts are harder, it's gonna show. Oh, and I like how there's dark and light blues in this right now, because it kind of does look more like water, because it's not all one blue. But that is our finished project. So yeah, that was multiple colors, but it was still easy and quick. 15 minutes and we've got it all done. I think that's pretty good. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, let me know, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.